Now that I'm logged into my onalaskaschools.com account at Google Apps, I'm able to do several things. So this is the first time I've gone into this practice account, and this is what yours will look like the first time you're in there. It goes to what's called the drive, which is kind of like your hard drive or a flash drive, if you will, of the files that you have saved at Google. Right now I don't have anything saved, so it says my drive and there's nothing here. Shared with me, there's nothing here. No one has shared anything with this account yet, so it's kind of a blank slate. If I want to create something, I go over here and click on Create. The things I can create are documents, so that would be like a Word document. Presentations would be like a PowerPoint. Spreadsheet would be similar to Excel. Forms are something I'll cover in another video, but they're very handy, good tool for teachers. Drawing is kind of like the AppleWorks drawing program that we used to have available to us a few years ago. It allows you to get a little bit, have a little more flexibility when you have pictures and text in a document. So a little bit more flexibility than, say, a Word document. Once I start to accumulate things in my drive, I can start to organize them by creating folders as well. Probably the most frequent app you're going to use is Documents to word process and share. So I'm going to click on that and show you how that works. So I click on Document. It looks like most other word processing software palettes that you've used before, Microsoft Word or OpenOffice, something like that. I can change the font and change the size, make it bold, italics, change the color, put in hyperlinks, add a picture, numbered list, bulleted list, decrease and increase indentation, left justify, right justify, single space, double space, etc. So I'm going to just type in some text so we can see how it works. That is the truth. The Chicago Bears will win the Super Bowl. If I select it then, just like with other software title, I can make it bigger, I can make it bold, I can change the font if I want. Same kinds of things with which you're familiar. Even change the color if I want to or whatever. Now that I've done that, maybe you notice right up here, Google saves as you work. So gone are the days when something could disappear on you if the power goes out or you forget to save and something happens in your computer, crashes or goes to sleep or whatever. Google saves it as you go. So right now it's saving in my drive. If I go back and take a look at my drive, I have untitled document. That's the one I'm working on. It saves as untitled document. If I don't change that file name, I'll have a whole bunch of untitled documents in my drive, but it's a very simple process. If I just click on that, you can call it Bears Win. I'll hit OK. Now this document is called Bears Win. If I go back here, it's in my drive. So it's very simple to create files. They just save automatically to your drive. If I were to log out now and go home and pull this up on a different computer, whether it's a Mac or a PC or an iPad or a smartphone or whatever it is, Nook, Kindle, as long as I can hit the internet, I can get to my Google Docs account and pick up right where I left off. And yes, the Bears will win the Super Bowl.